So when you go to account top up, you're gonna input my promo code, which is Emma. You can see that when you deposit $100, you will receive $150 on your account just because you use my promo code. So don't forget to do that. Hello, my dear friends. This is Emma. Really excited to see you back here on my YouTube channel. Really excited to be trading on Pocket Option and sharing it with you. And today I'm starting rather big, $90 for the start. And with the superpower of two of my personal assistants, that's how I call the tools these days. I'm gonna be using RSI and the Dungeon channels. I'm gonna try to make great profits and implement some cool strategies. So let's see how that's gonna play out. Let's get it started. As I told you, a couple of things to start with. Well, first of all, RSI, and I'm gonna adjust the period right away. And it's good. And adjusting the styles. Yes, I always pick the custom colors because every little detail matters. So, and Dungeon channels, here we go. All right. And I'm gonna adjust the styles here as well, so they don't. And $90, let's do it. So right now the price has settled below the middle line of the channel as confirmed by a retest from below, and the RSI shows there is still room for further movement. I believe it's a put option. Yes, it is a put option. And let's see. Guys, also, quick reminder, I have an amazing Telegram channel, and if you're looking for all the necessary information to help you make money with trading, I welcome you there. The link is in the description, and you will find top-tier strategies, unique signals, and a lot of my personal insights, because I constantly keep learning about trading. You just can't stop. So it's all waiting for you there. Go and subscribe. Yes, $172.80 is my first win. Amazing. I think my results prove my words. Honestly, trading is my favorite thing to do. Yeah, I'm really passionate. I think passion is one of the main ingredients for success in any field, but this one specifically. All right, time for the new asset pair and time for the new bid. $172 I'm gonna place this time. And right now, according to the oscillator, we have entered the oversold zone. And I'm expecting a rebound, potentially. Yeah, that could happen. All the way up to the middle line of the Dungeon channel. So I'm gonna go for a long here. Yes, call option, it is a time for you. Okay. Guys, wanted to share with you something unrelated to trading. It's related to music, in fact. I've been listening to the same songs over and over and over again. That's just like one of my listening habits. And I wanted to ask, how do you find new tracks? Because like Spotify algorithms are really good, but it's just, I don't know, obviously not good enough for me. I'm desperately looking for the new songs, new soundtracks of my life. Here we go, $330. Boom, boom, boom. The progress is happening fast. Okay, that is awesome. And my new bid is $311. No, $331 I'm gonna put for this one. Yes, that's a better amount. And let's see. Well, right at this moment, it's a perfect moment to open a bid to make a bid to open a new trade because the instrument is coming out of the oversold zone according to the RSI, and after bouncing off the lower boundary of the channel, it's starting to move upwards. So I'm gonna go for a long here, definitely call option. So let's do it. Let's do it. So yeah, speaking of music preferences and music listening habits, I just figured that I always get stuck in the same old patterns. Like, I'm very conservative when it comes to music. I have my favorite tracks and I keep listening over and over and over and over until I get literally sick of them. Do you know? Yes, $635. Amazing. Okay. We are clearly on the right track here. So let's keep pushing and find out how much I can make when I started with just $90. Lovely. So now the bids are up. I'm placing $635 for this one. And let's see. The buyers are really weak right now, and they even fail to hold above the middle line of the channel, which is now acting as a resistance. And you can also see it. Yeah, take a look at this inverted hammer pattern, which is signaling a potential drop. And the oscillator shows room for further downward movement. So I'm gonna take a short position in this case. Yes, put option, no other choice. Let's do it. Here we go, $1,219. Escalating quickly, as the profits should, honestly. That's definitely a good sign. Means that I'm doing everything right and that I should keep going. So let's keep going. Okay, let's zoom in and see. Okay, it's time. I'm gonna place $1,219. You could have guessed it, maybe you did. And let's take a closer look. So the asset has entered the overbought zone, and it is indicated by the oscillator right there. And I'm expecting a pullback to correct this condition. So yes, another put option here. It's gonna go down, so let's just wait and see. Guys, in my Telegram channel, the link is going to be in the description of this video. I share all the strategies I'm using in a very precise and detailed manner, so you will understand every step of the way and you can implement them right away. So I highly recommend you check it out if you haven't already, because you're gonna find it super useful when it comes to getting the consistent results in trading. Yes, and that's the result I'm talking about. $2,340 I just got. Awesome. That is a pure bliss. What's my next move gonna be? Australia and United States. All right. So I'm gonna place $1,600 for this one. Yeah, the bids are up. You got it. And I can observe that the situation has reversed. The instrument has entered the oversold zone, and I am expecting a bounce up from the lower boundary of the channel. So volatility has come down. You can see it's not as crazy anymore, and it's suggesting a potential trend change. So let's go for a call option. Let's do it. Here we go. Yes, $3,072. Great result. I always want to sing when I get really excited, but my singing abilities are not as nearly as good as my trading abilities. So I'm gonna try and stay away from singing, although I really want to. And I'm gonna make a smaller bid this time. 400 looks good. Yeah, I just want to come down a little bit. And oh my God, see here, a very strong downtrend has developed. So I'm gonna open a short option here. Yeah, the price is breaking below the middle line of the channel, and the oscillator indicates there is a room for further downward movement. So it keeps going down. And I see that we are around the 50 level, which suggests there is still potential for a decline. So I believe it's going down. Let's see. Another idea I got about discovering new music, new songs. My new neighbor got really cool playlists. Sometimes, like when I chill on my balcony, I hear him playing his music, and maybe I should just knock on the door and ask. Yes, $768. Oh my goodness, what a great session, you guys. Look, I'm just really happy, like the way it went and the way it developed and the market trends. And thank you, RSI and Donchen, you've been amazing. Oh my God, like it's so funny. I almost treat indicators and oscillators as, in fact, my personal assistants, kind of like humanized for me right now, which is funny. But yes, that's been a great session, and I'm really happy with the outcome of it. And guys, thank you for watching my videos. I am really excited and happy to share my processes and my results. And if you want to know more about trading and in specific my strategies in trading, I invite you to my Telegram channel. The link is in the description of this video, and there you will find everything you need in order to get the same results I'm getting. My strategies, unique signals, forecasts, all the goodies that I know I shared with you there. So I will see you really soon. Thanks for being awesome. Bye.